ENVRI-Hub NEXT is a powerful consortium that brings together environmental research infrastructures in Europe, together with e-infrastructures like EGI, in order to deliver a fully integrated system that empowers researchers to perform multidisciplinary research across arrays.
ENVRI-Hub is now live in the final productive system. Researchers can now access and process data across domains from one single gateway.
In the ENVRI-Hub NEXT project, we are actually providing better access to essential climate variables by providing the exact related output from the research infrastructure that we can directly use in the virtual research environment and in the analytical framework.
This was our first in-person training session at a major conference. Seeing researchers test the ENVRI-Hub themselves, ask questions, and get the hands-on practice will certainly help us in fine-tune the platform.